Hey.
Look, Dad. Look at me.
You just got your mirror wet. Mud. Hey, Dad.
Dad, you see this?
Oh.
What's up, man?
Hey, dude. Pet him, man. Give him a little piece of food.
There you go. There you
Does
go.
he like that?
I don't know.
Not really.
Ask him.
He's like, there's food in the back. I don't know what I'm doing over here.
Look at that one laying his head down. His head down.
He likes it.
Why are the deer like bent? I'm nice to deer.
I love animals.
Hello.
Well, try not screaming at him, buddy. Oh. I wouldn't stick my face too close to him, though, buddy.
Dad, I was scratching his neck. He just switched his nose at me.
I'll give you some. Here's that other man fish too. Ah! You got my finger in your mouth. That's disgusting.
Look at him.
You're so cute.
Oh, that's
He
gross.
sprung a leak.
Stop showing
He's white, Dad?
Oh, that one sprung a leak.
Can't reach
What
you.
does that mean?
Nothing.
Oh.
Look at this big guy.